Here's John. Welcome viewers, subscribers, followers, ladies and gentlemen, friends and foes. Almost did a little wobbler there. I want to capture this video for you. This scene of banning. I just showed you a couple people on the train tracks. I don't think they got the MO or the, not the MO, the memo, see him right there, that they're going to provide free housing. And there are ruins up here, the remains of that homeless camp strip, like a strip mall, but a homeless camp mall. And it was right in here. Stay with me on this so you can really get the juxt of what I'm trying to tell you. I know it's actually after 8th Street, but I wanted to show you those railroad tracks where that guy was hanging a couple of those camps, because up here was where that strip was. And I want to show you a surprise on the taxpayer dollars, what's going on. So hang tight. Now they started grading in here, the railroad tracks, and I believe it's right up here where they started cleaning up. And I'm hoping I can get this for you before it gets dark. I'm running a little bit late right now, heading to AZ. All you who want to know, I'm going to stay in this lane, so stay with me. Coming up on Morongo to the casino, one of those Indian casinos, where they just get free reign. I don't know how long do they get to do that. Camps in there. There's Americana at its best right there. So stay with me, because I want to show you. So here they're doing a bunch of work, but up here they clear out the camps where these guys were hanging out. It's going to be up here maybe within the next mile, but I did want to start off with this mini feature, because it is Hargrove. Yeah, Hargrave. Right up here I believe is the ruins, not the Greek ruins, the hobo ruins. Here's the hobo ruins right there. Okay, all of that, all of the dumpsters coming in, see it? Those were all the ruins. And that is where, I shouldn't zoom in like that too much. There's a couple of burnouts, hobo burnouts. And right here, check this out. This now is where they get to live for free. Those are their houses, all paid for by the tax dollars. I'm going to come back on this, folks. Okay, look at this. See them? See them? See them? There they are. Those are all paid for. Those are little tiny, see them? Little tiny houses. There's their free bathrooms. Who's paying? Look at that. Picnic tables. Who's paying for that? You are. Riverside's paying for that. Okay. The citizens of Riverside County, Gavick. This isn't a Garcetti thing. This is Riverside County, just so you know, banning. And there you go. I'll try to revisit that again. Thank you for staying with me. I'm sorry it was brief. I'm sorry there wasn't as much clarity as I wanted. Heading to Palm Springs, Morongo, up in the backdrop. You guys want to see an Indian casino? Let's do it. Stay with me. And I'll take it a little bit further, okay? Since we've got some good lighting going on in here right now. cabazon, indio. See that tower out there? That's the Indian casino. That's where they'll bankroll you, right there. Bank rob you, either way, however you want to define it. But trust me, you're not walking out of there as a profiteer. You're going to walk out of there as a puppeteer. Okay? They're going to clean you out, scrub you up real good, pat you on the back and say, thank you very much, in whatever tribal language that is. I am not sure what tribe that is. That's Morongo. That's the Indian reservation. Maybe it's the Morongo tribe. I don't know. No idea, folks. That's it. Out in the middle of nowhere. Everything around it's real nice, green, clean. Although they didn't have any gas the last couple times. Yeah, so it's the Morongo Indian Reservation, but I don't know what tribe that is. It doesn't mean it's Morongo. Doesn't even sound right, does it? Okay, John. Ow! We're here. Let's keep it up a little bit closer. For those who don't know about these Indian reservations, these casinos in California. Oh, they get to do whatever they want, man. Whatever they want. And you should see the way they vote. They're hardcore lib. I was told if you ever go off of an Indian reservation, or you just kind of get away from their, their command, so to speak, that you've basically been outcast. Like a Mormon or one of those Jehovah's Witness type cults. Yeah, if you leave, they don't know you anymore. That's it. There's nothing there really but that casino, flashing lights, everything around it's pretty soiled up. We stop here a lot to get gas. This is it, folks. We are in Riverside County, probably, 30 minutes from Palm Springs, where we know who's there. Yes, Carey, Mr. Carey. Carey probably comes here, donates, makes a few deposits. Actually, he probably makes his deposits in Palm Springs.